Let us study organometallic chemistry. Organometallic chemistry deals with the study of organometallic compounds. The compounds containing one or more metal carbon bonds are called organometallic compounds. This bond can be either a direct metal carbon bond or a metal complex bond. The metal carbon bond may be a sigma bond or it may be a pi bond. Apart from the metal to carbon bonds, bonds to inorganic carbon like carbon monoxide, that is in metal carbonyls, cyanide, carbide are generally considered to be organometallic. Organoborane, organosilicon, organoarsine compounds etc. are included in the organometallic chemistry. Some related compounds such as transition metal hydrides and metal phosphine complexes are often included in organometallic compounds. Strictly speaking, they are not necessarily organometallic. Generally, organometallic chemistry combines the aspect of traditional organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry. Organometallic compounds finds application in many synthetic transformations. The reactivity of the organometallic compounds depends on the reduction potential of the metal. Let us study some examples of organometallic compounds. One example is potassium trichloroethane ethene platinate 2. This is called Cese salt. The Cese salt was the first compound identified as containing an organic molecule attached to the metal using its pi electrons of the organic molecule. It was reported by William Christopher Cese in the University of Copenhagen. He synthesized the Cese salt as yellow needle-like crystals after refluxing a mixture of PtCl4 and PtCl2 in ethanol, followed by the addition of potassium chloride solution. It is an ionic compound having the formula KPtC2H4Cl3H2O. The structure of this anion shows below have a square planar geometry with 3 chlorine ligands occupies the corners of the square and the ethylene occupied at the fourth corner, but it is perpendicular to the plane. Another example is the Grignard reagents. The reaction between magnesium and alkyl halides performed by Barbier and subsequently by Grignard lead to the synthesis of alkyl magnesium complexes. Now it is known as Grignard reagent, which is extensively used in organic synthesis. Grignard reagents have been one of the most widely used organometallic reagents. Most of them are usually prepared in ethereal solution by the reaction of organic halides with metallic magnesium. Another example for organometallic compounds is the sandwich compounds like ferrocene. Ferrocene was accidentally prepared in 1951 by T.J. Curley and P.L. Paulson in an attempt to synthesize fulvalene by reacting cyclopentadienyl magnesium bromide with iron 2 chloride. After a year later, in 1952, Geoffrey Wilkinson and R.B. Woodward correctly deduced the sandwich structure of ferrocene, that is 2 anionic cyclopentadienyl ring, each containing 6 pi electrons, 2 Fe2 plus cation. Later, Geoffrey Wilkinson shared 1973 Nobel Prize for Chemistry for their pioneering work performed independently on the chemistry of organometallic, the so-called sandwich compound. Let us study haptonomenclature in organometallic chemistry. A special type of nomenclature have been devised to designate the manner in which how the organic ligand bond to the metal atoms in organometallic compounds. The organic ligands in organometallic compounds may bond through different number of atoms. Hapticity is the word used to describe the bonding mode of the ligands to the metal center and is defined as the number of carbon atoms to the ligand that are directly bonded to the metal. The number of atoms through which the ligand bonds is indicated by the Greek letter eta followed by a superscript indicating the number of atoms attached to the metal. Eta X was originally developed to indicate how many carbons of a pi system were coordinated to a metal center. And eta 5 C5 H5 ligand, designated the pentahaptocyclopentadienyl ligand, has all 5 carbon atoms of the ring bonding to the transitional metal center. Hapto comes from the Greek word for fasten, therefore pentahapto means fastened in 5 places. Eta X values for carbon ligand. When the X value is odd, usually indicate an anionic carbon ligands. For example, eta 5 cyclopentadienyl, eta 1 CH3, eta 1 allyl, eta 3 allyl. Here, the pi electrons donated by the ligand is usually equal to X plus 1. When the value of X is even, it indicates the neutral carbon pi system of the ligands. For example, eta 6 C5 C6H6, eta 2 CH2 CH2, eta 4 butadiene, eta 4 cyclooctadiene. Here, the pi electrons donated by the ligand is usually equal to X. The bridging nomenclature in organometallic chemistry. Mu-X is the nomenclature used to indicate the presence of a bridging ligand between two or more metal centers. The X refers to the number of metal centers being bridged by the ligand. Usually most others omit X is equal to 0, X is equal to 2 and just use mu to indicate that the ligand is bridging to the simplest case